Hi folks, welcome back to the Best Buy channel. My name is Sean. Today I'm excited to talk about a brand new grill that we've got. And yes, we do carry grills. This is the Weber Spirit E-310. Now like you, I'm a big fan of grilling. Let's take a look and see what makes this one different. All right, let's take a look. First thing that impressed me, this thing has 529 square inches of cooking space. 424 on the main grates and a warming rack here of 105 square inches. Now, you're probably asking yourself, great, that sounds like a big number, but what it really means is 15 burgers. Is average size burgers, what you can fit on here at one time. Now, besides the large grill size itself, we do have 3 burners for a total of 32,000 BTUs. Cool thing is, you've got individual controls for all 3 burners. What that means, you can cook hot stuff on one end, colder stuff on the other. Steak and potatoes, no problem. Chicken and corn on the cob, no problem. You can split them up this way. Heats up quick, retains the heat, very nice and even. Now at the end of your grilling session, part we all dislike, and that is cleanup. Weber helps us out here though by making these grill grates themselves, they're coated with porcelain, making cleanup a breeze. Last detail to go over, and one I think is important, a lot of people don't even think about, is how much fuel do I have? Well, Weber makes this easy to determine with a gas gauge inside here to let you know what level your fuel is at. I don't want to run out in the middle of a grilling session, and I'm sure you don't either. Thanks for being with us today. Again, I'm Sean. This is the Weber Spirit E-310. Wonderful grill, great set of features. If you want more information, click on the link below. And I don't know about you, but now I'm hungry. Which one brought the hot dogs, by the way?